How to delete your eFootball account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your eFootball account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete your eFootball account, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the eFootball game and then go to extras, and then once you come to the extras tab, here you'll find the option called support, and once you come to support you'll find the option called services and info. Just tap on it, and here you'll find the option called delete user ID. Just tap on it again. Now keep in mind that this will completely delete your Konami ID, which means your eFootball 2022 account. It is not only going to unlink it, it is just going to completely delete it. But there are a couple of things you need to remember. The user ID deletion will be finalized after verification of identity. You will not be able to request an user ID deletion for 30 days after performing a data transfer. The expected deletion date will set thoroughly roughly to 21 days after your request has been sent. So if we send a request now until the next maintenance, it is going to take 21 days to completely delete our account. And if you try to log in within that specific period of time, you can go ahead and simply regain access to your account as well. But keep in mind that if you delete your Konami account, you're going to lose all your players, all your coins, all your GP, all your managers, all your progress, and everything that you've ever had in eFootball. So just be aware of that, because this is a way to delete your Konami account permanently. This is not the way to only unlink it. You just have to keep that in mind, and that's all it takes to delete your Konami ID. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.